Hey guys, Linton here from Greenbox Markets. I sent out a setup on the pound Swiss franc yesterday, and I just want to follow up on that quickly. Unfortunately, I was not in front of my laptop at the time that this took place, so I've missed this position. I'm hoping that the analysis I sent out yesterday has helped a lot of you guys to actually get into this trade. That said, I actually just want to explain that to you. This is the reason why I've changed to sending out little video clips like this, because when I'm not in front of my laptop, if you know the setup and if you understand what I've been looking for, then you would hopefully still be able to take the trade if you're in front of your machine. Quite often I'm caught up in other things in terms of running the business, and I'm not able to take every single setup that I see, so I'm sending out videos now in the hope that you'll be able to take the trades anyway. So anyway, let's get to the pound franc quickly and have a look at what's going on here. Remember, we had this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave structure, either that or a 1, 2, 3 wave structure that's broken on the fourth up. And then we saw an impulse with a correction, and now we're seeing the impulse. That is the one that I wanted to trade, and unfortunately I've missed it, but I hope that many of you were able to get into the position. Let's just go down to smaller time frames and have a look at what's going on here. Okay, so here you can see on the 4 hour, this was the flag. So the initial impulse was this move over here. That was the break out of the first biggest structure on the daily. And then we waited for this correction to form with a 1, 2, 3 wave structure, and there was a possibility to expect a fourth wave and then a fifth up in this structure, but that didn't happen, and it broke after the 3 waves had completed. This should have been an entry point for me over here, but unfortunately I was away from my machine and missed that trade, so I'm not in this position at this point in time. I am, however, waiting to see if there'll be some kind of pullback from this high over here down to a sort of similar level, and then I will enter the trade again. So for those of you who are not in this position, wait for some kind of a pullback round to this level again, and you could enter this position to get the rest of the move if it doesn't go there straight away now. Don't enter the position after the trigger has happened and the candles have moved already, guys. Your risk to reward ratio changes when you do that, and your probability percentage wise doesn't work out as good as what it would if you entered the trade at the right position. And that's why you can see I'm actually not in this trade at this point in time. I'll wait for a bit of a pullback before I get in. What does it look like on the 1 hour? Okay, so we clearly see the break of the flag happened over here, and then there was actually a pullback with another little flag over there and a break. Unfortunately, I missed this trade, which I'm a little bit bummed about, but anyway, that happens, and that's the world of trading. If you're not there, don't take the trade, and don't take it too late either, or think of getting in it before it actually triggers, because you know you're not going to be in front of your screen at that point in time. That's setting yourself up for losses, guys, and you're going to put yourself in a dangerous position. So to get back to this trade, the first impulse took place, the correction has taken place, and we've seen a break of the correction, and we should see more upside. On a pullback, I'll enter the trade and look for targets to the upside. We should comfortably see this first target here at 1.29145, and a break of that, we should comfortably see the 1.31227 level. But remember to keep moving your stops up, because news events happen and things happen that do mess the charts around and push the candles around. So it could put you in a position where you take a loss. Rather move your stop to entry when you've got a little bit of profit on the table, and protect your account, protect your capital. That's all from me. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care. Cheers.